Ladies and gentlemen, dear members of the LibreOffice community, distinguished guests, I'm delighted to welcome you all to Belval today for the opening of the LibreOffice Conference 2024. This event is more than just an annual meeting for the global LibreOffice community. It is a showcase of innovation, collaboration, and commitment to open source software. As Minister of Digitalisation, I would like to emphasize the Luxembourg government's clear and resolute stance on digital sovereignty. In a world where control over our infrastructures, software, content and data is crucial, one key way to ensure this sovereignty is by promoting the use of and development of open source software. Open source solutions give us the freedom to adapt tools to our specific needs and maintain control over functionalities and data, particularly when hosted locally. The use of open standards, such as those proposed by the Document Foundation with the ODT format, ensures maximum interoperability and reduces the risk of vendor locked-in. This strengthens our freedom to operate and minimizes systemic weakness caused by dependence on a single provider. The government IT centers the city here exemplifies this approach with its adoption of solutions like Odoo, Moodle and LookChat for Gov, the professional instant messaging for the Luxembourg public sector agents made available by the Ministry of Digitalisation. This secure messaging platform uses matrix and element and is, by the way, the subject of one of the speech this afternoon. These examples demonstrated that open source software is not only a viable alternative, but also a strategic tool for strengthening our digital sovereignty. As Minister for Research and Higher Education, I take great pride in the widespread adoption of Moodle as a digital learning tool, particularly at the University of Luxembourg. Here, too, open source plays a fundamental role in creating common goods. By contributing to open source developments, we pay only for the value-added services, avoiding the costs associated with private licensing. As is often said in the open source community, free like freedom, not like free beer, the Luxembourg Media Digital Design Center exemplifies this commitment by working exclusively with open source software hosted locally or within Europe, and by releasing all of its developments for the benefit of all. Open source is also a valuable strategy for valorizing publicly funded research. It allows us to align economic impact with societal impact by maximizing adoption, fostering contributors, and adapting tools to specific needs. This aligns with our ambition to promote open science and enhance the value created by public data with initiatives such as the government's Open Data Programme and the Luxembourg National Data Service. Finally, I would like to highlight the key role that open source plays in the field of artificial intelligence. Large language models and other open source models, such as those developed by the LMDDC, offer an innovative solutions that create value for society as a whole. As part of the national AI strategy currently being developed, we are committed to supporting these initiatives, which ensure that everyone can benefit from technological advancements without being dependent on a few global players. In conclusion, I wish you all an enriching discussions during this conference, and I encourage each of you to continue contributing to this remarkable movement that makes open source software a driver of innovation and digital sovereignty. Thank you all and have a great conference.